construction. Or no, that's just a mine sign and stuff.
Oh, it's the end of the road there.
The end of it. Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, looks like. Yeah, it's just like a turnaround. Oh, or really off road.
I'm gonna go this way and then go back in right here.
Yeah. There is a lot of excavation here. I'm still safe here.
Is that good?
Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta make this weird turn though now. It's gonna be kind of hard.
I say making more than one time. Doesn't make just at once. Yeah, go there, then back.
Like this?
Yeah. It'll be a little shaky, but it's still doable.
Cut it?
Yeah, now you can do totally the opposite. You're good.
It's good?
Yeah, you can cut. This side is good.
Now I can make that?
Yeah. Yes. Totally depends on the nose, but this side is good. Now you can turn all this side and be gonna make there.
I'm fully.
And that's the problem. Here you still have like a yard of buffer.
Okay.
That's good.
Good.
Okay, now you can make it. Check if it was a jump there. What is this pump that you have? Is the engine? Yeah, he's good.
Might be just the cooling system maybe making noise. This is my 0 RPMs. And I think it's the regen or just like electric motor kind of making some whirling noise. Let's try this, I don't know.
There's a massive rock there that you know we can pass that one.
We can't, right in front of us?
Yeah. See on the left side right there?
Oh, that one right there, yeah.
Okay, oh yeah, but maybe here.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, has another one that they really are trying to block, I would say here.
Okay.
See the rocks there too?
Yeah. So I think we're gonna have to go back.
It's the old trail, say was there, but
Yeah.
they're not big, but Probably
or is
that
it a
will be
wash?
coming out. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like a wash, or maybe the where come out that one that was looking around at mine.
Wash or is that a trail? I think it looks like a wash. Kind of both, actually.
Yeah, it's kind of both. It is wide enough to use this area to go in.
Looks like a mud pit. Alright, we got a hill going here.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, things are getting real here.
So let's take a look at it.
Yeah, has one step there that I don't see
I
further.
can't even see over
The
my
beginning
head.
is okay, but the next one, no.
You can videotape it if you want to. It's a little freaky, actually, sitting in here doing it. I don't know. Okay. feet wet. I got a few pinstripes, yeah, of course. Yeah, on the left side, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, now they're taking seriously.
Did it look good?
I hope so. Got everything inside in camera.
Okay. Let's see here.
I put lower resolution because it's burning the head of this camera. Yeah, was Avril Lavigne open for Machine Gun Kelly? She's still stuck like 20 years ago, the same Kiss concert. Cool. Yeah, no, looks good. The truck like didn't touch anything.
Yeah.
Didn't slide whatsoever coming down, at least looking outside, so it's pretty firm.
Still trying to get my feeling.
Yeah.
And how it.
Because on the right side has like some loose rocks that I thought they're gonna start to slide. Didn't slide at all. And clearance, you're covered. Definitely covered.
That's good. But it does have like a long wheelbase, so sometimes that front mount can kind of get the underbelly a little bit.
Yeah, you had a little bit of twist here because just the way they change it here, that this wash, but there is a descent control also, or you need to control by yourself?
I could add it to it by putting a button in this thing. I've seen how to do it. Just to audio this thing.
For the next, these will be interesting uphill and the downhill too. Yeah, that's open here.
I think I'm okay. I don't think I need any help with this.
No. And but the worst situation, you have a safe path there.
So should I go around it a little bit easier?
I don't know.
Does it matter?
This is the only thing. Could this slide a little bit up, going up?
Let me bit easier. Take it easier today.
Yeah, that wash looks less muddy, lack of better word, than this one.
That's the belly.
Oh. So the suspension really sits down. Maybe a little bump.
Yeah. It is a bit of a messy, rocky.
Oh yeah, looking for here will be a little harder. It'll be a little, very slippery.
Alright, I think I've got taken all the...
Yeah, watch here.
You see
Yeah, keep that line.
Okay.
Yeah, keep this line so
Just
you
to
don't
go
take the
around
right. Yeah, keep that. Don't go back yet.
Okay.
Now you can go. Hey, looks good.
Okay. Uglier and uglier, huh?
Looks doable. I cannot see behind that cactus that is there. If there's something tricky or not, let me.
I want to. Do you have a map? Do you have a map to see if there's alternates to get out of here and stuff like that?
Let me take the offline.
I mean, it's gonna be hard to focus in on your maps just to.
Okay, where we are. Definitely we are. Okay.
Can you get to satellite version or not?
Hope that I have. Yeah, it's already so gonna go there.
Okay. Yes. I'm just gonna tell them we're looking at maps real quick.
Yeah. So we have two options in front. One right here, and this will go basically straight line back to the gas station. See?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's right in front.
Yeah, that will be the first one on the left.
Okay.
And the other one, if you keep going, that goes a little more towards California and the washes there.
Okay.
So yeah, comes back on the washes.
Let me see something here. Silver gem mine, anchor mine, combination mine. I was wondering where the route is to get. It's probably one of these or going in there. I don't need to go in there. So we'll just go in here and then we'll take it back down.
Yeah. Let's see. I have a Osmand with offline maps. Let's see if there's any weird extra ones here.
So I think it probably goes up and then it probably goes down. Huh?
Yeah.
What time is it? Almost
2:43. Yeah, this straight line back is not even in the offline maps. That's weird.
That looks not passable. Look at that.
Oh yeah,
It's definitely, I think, a turner. I don't know. We'll get out and look at that.
We're gonna have a very tiny margin that, and the first one is the terrible one. See that how open it is? The rain really opened that one.
Yeah, it washed out.
Yeah.
Probably a turnaround.